Got Laguna Beach here. And we've got an anomaly in the center here. And I just wanted to show that in the little one at the bottom. Well, might be more than one in there. Very well could be. Then you got one at the top of this one. But they'll start doing things shortly, but I don't want to make any long videos. Really. Not more than a minute, so not tonight. For this morning, it's 5 a.m. Oh yeah, look, we got a change going on. That's the beginning of me being stuck here. I'm going to try not to. Yeah. And your Masonic floor, don't forget that. Your Masonic floor. People like to eat, have their meals out here and dance, and a little music comes from in here. Yep. So I'm going to leave now, and thanks for swinging by. I'll see you on the next stop, whatever that is. Have a great day, everyone.